Alright, it's really windy today, so I got this Purple Martin birdhouse. I'll show a picture of it here. But they want you to use their pole to mount it, and I don't want to spend, it's like $70 for a piece of, basically a top rail of chain link fence. So I have a piece of top rail here, and I want to put it in here, and it goes in, but it hits a lip. Now the other end of the top rail is tapered, and that'll go in until it hits that lip. Inch and 3/8 hole saw. Inch and 3/8. This is the roof. Let's get this in. This screw. If I can put it upside down, without the whole thing sliding. That's set up. Can't get to the screw. All right. Let's get the pole. All right, so the pole for this Purple Martin, I think it's like $125. So I cut a notch in here, about 2 feet to the length of here. And then what I did was I mounted this to a top rail that I had laying around from a dog kennel. It's 1 3/8 inches. And then I put one screw in here, another screw in there, and then I cut a notch in the tree and put it in like this. I think that'll look the best. Let's see how we do right off the bat. So this will go to the right. Front to back is close. I don't think I can get it. One, two, all right. Today is May 2023. So you can see what I did there. 2 lag bolts, stump, cut a notch out for the 4x4. I'll probably seal that so water don't get down in those cracks. Pretty level. Ooh. 125 for that pole. So yeah, we'll see how long it lasts. Let's see what it looks like from the house. Looks good. Alright, that's as straight as I'm gonna get it. Putting a chainsaw, cutting a notch in that 4x4. So we'll see how long it lasts. It's May 2023.